Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we are excited to bring you an in-depth look at one of the most breathtaking machines ever created by Ferrari, the Ferrari 812 Competizione. This car represents the purest expression of Ferrari's front-engine V12 legacy, blending unmatched performance with iconic Italian craftsmanship. In this video, we take you on a complete journey through its design, power, driving dynamics, and the unique spirit that makes the 812 Competizione a masterpiece for collectors and performance lovers around the world. The Ferrari 812 Competizione is built for drivers who crave emotion behind the wheel. Its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine creates an unforgettable sound and delivers power that feels raw yet perfectly controlled. With a power output of around 830 horsepower, this V12 monster launches with breathtaking acceleration and continues to pull with intensity all the way to its incredibly high rev limit. Ferrari has refined every part of the engine to achieve sharper responsiveness, more efficient airflow, and a thrilling soundtrack that defines the true soul of a Ferrari. The exterior design of the 812 Competizione is a perfect blend of aerodynamics and beauty. Every curve, bend, and line serves a purpose. The sculpted bonnet, aggressive rear styling, and signature Ferrari proportions make this car instantly recognizable. The aerodynamic work on this model is exceptional, featuring unique air channels, vortex elements, and advanced cooling systems to ensure stability and performance at extreme speeds. Ferrari has crafted the body with lightweight materials, reducing overall weight and giving the Competizione an outstanding power-to-weight ratio. Inside the cabin, the Ferrari 812 Competizione stays true to the focused nature of a performance-oriented supercar. The interior features a driver-centric layout, with premium Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and Ferrari's signature steering wheel with integrated controls. Every detail is tailored to provide a direct, connected, and exciting driving experience. The cabin feels both luxurious and purposeful, offering comfort while still reminding you that this machine is built for speed and precision. Driving the 812 Competizione is an unforgettable experience. Ferrari's advanced technology, including four-wheel steering, improved suspension tuning, and enhanced traction systems, makes the car feel incredibly stable, even at high speeds. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver full confidence when pushing through corners. The car's balance and grip allow for smooth handling, while the V12 engine ensures explosive power whenever needed. Ferrari has refined the driving dynamics to a level that feels both accessible for skilled drivers and thrilling for anyone lucky enough to sit behind the wheel. Ferrari has also introduced several weight-saving technologies across the vehicle, including lighter components, modified exhaust systems, and improved materials. The result is a driving experience that is more refined, agile, and thrilling than ever before. This model is a celebration of Ferrari's heritage, engineering excellence, and commitment to delivering high-performance cars that stir passion. For enthusiasts who value the V12 legacy, the 812 Competizione stands as one of the final and finest expressions of Ferrari's naturally aspirated power. In the world of modern supercars, where hybrid systems and electrification are becoming increasingly common, the Ferrari 812 Competizione stands as a bold and emotional reminder of pure mechanical excellence. It delivers an authentic connection between the driver and the car, offering a sound, feel, and performance experience that is difficult to match. This machine represents more than just speed. It represents history, engineering mastery, and the raw passion that makes Ferrari one of the most admired automotive brands in the world. In this video, we dive deep into every angle of the 812 Competizione, from close-up exterior shots to detailed interior views, performance analysis, and driving impressions. Whether you are a Ferrari enthusiast, a supercar collector, or simply someone who loves the thrill of automotive engineering at its finest, this video is made to give you the full experience. We hope this review helps you understand why the Ferrari 812 Competizione is one of the most desirable cars of 2025 and how it continues to push boundaries in design and performance. Thank you for watching Autoland 2025. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content coming your way. I see you in the next video.